What if I told you I couldn't stay? Take me or leave me. You can still walk away. What if I told you this love won't be easy? Will you still be here? Is this real? Will you still be here? If I say how I feel, I don't wanna wake up one day and see you gone. Will you still be here? Will you still be here? What if I showed you I could change? I really hope you don't walk away. What if I showed you this love could be easy? Will you still be here? Is this real? Will you still be here? If I say how I feel, I don't wanna wake up one day and see you gone. Will you still be here? Will you still be here? Will you still be here? Na na na, na 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 na. Will you still be here? Na na na, na 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 na. Will you still be here? Na na na, na 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 na. Will you still be here?
So it's not gonna be really hard. We're gonna have some work just every day, but I wanna do that because I want you. I want all of you. Forever.
Will you still be here? Na na na, na 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 na.
Made it clear what I feel for you when you say that we move too fast. Switching up your attitude, making love till you take it back. Pull me close, then you pull away. Now you treat me like a friend. All the wicked games you play, baby, I just can't pretend. Can we go back to that perfect day? We drew the blinds and we felt no shame. Now we're not sure if we feel the same. And I need you to know that I don't wanna spend my whole life waiting on your heart to change your mind. I just need to know if we can make it. It's messing with my head when you keep me on the edge. 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 Go ahead, let me go again. Turn it off, come and turn me on. Haven't we been here before? In the dark before the dawn. Pull me close, then you pull away. Then we're back
make the lights purple. Okay. Well, I hope you dolls enjoyed stress cleaning with me. Sometimes I just have to do a really good clean to my home when I'm feeling really stressed and anxious. It really does help me feel a lot better because I know that the space that I'm in is not full of chaos like the rest of my mind is. So I'll leave the products and stuff, like my favorite cleaning products, linked in the description box below so you guys can find out what it is that I use. But it already smells so good in here. I did the floors, so they're nice and shiny. Leroy always slips and slides on them right after I do it. So I just really focused on the main living space today, mostly the kitchen, putting dishes away, cleaning off the surfaces, and well, you guys saw what I did in the video. Don't really have to reiterate. I just wanted to do an outro for you guys. If you like these clean with me videos, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to bring them back. When you watch people clean, it makes me want to clean. Same thing with working out. When I watch someone work out, I'm like, wow, I'm lazy. I need to go to the gym. So if you guys like these and you want to see more, let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will see you dolls in my next vlog very soon. Bye.
oh, 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 oh.